Okay, so in terms of modular data centers, I guess one of the big advantages is the speed from specifying, ordering, etc. to delivery. So just tell us what you're able to achieve in that sense.
I mean, you're absolutely right. What we see in the market today is that the time to market is absolutely critical. The amount of data center installer resources is very limited. We see that hyperscalers take a lot of that demand. So if you take on-premise customers that have data center replacements, that have data center refurbishments, often run into the situation that their time to market expands to a great extent. So our approach is really, if you think of a data center to go, really have all these modules, all the systems available on stock, and that's one of the key USPs that we have already developed in the Middle East, and that we're now bringing to the European market with our modular data center to say, okay, whenever you need it, we'll have it on stock, and we can deliver within a couple of days if you want, right? Because all the pre-work, all the design, all the design stuff, all the manufacturing stuff, the assembling stuff has already been done. So the only thing what we really need is like it's plug and play, if you want, which we've seen in the past with active components, and which we're bringing now as a whole data center solution ready to go.
And if people want, are you able to pre-populate it with some of the other infrastructure within the module, or do you deliver, if you like, the empty module and then people put it, or can you install certain things? Because sometimes people like to pre-install, some of theirs.
It can be both. It can be both options, indeed. So we're coming from the passive infrastructure side, that we deliver the whole systems, but it could also be that, as you say, as a particular project, to say. We work together with partners, we work together with the end customers and with the partners of the end customers to say, okay, we can assemble the whole system and really deliver that as a ready to go and key solution, really to plug and play, switch it on, and you're ready to go.
I'm guessing, so obviously the time advantage is significant, which I guess helps financially, but there's also a bit of a safety angle as well, so you're controlling a lot of the assembly, and therefore there's less risks when it comes to site and installation. Is that important to folks?
It is important. What we also have seen in the past, because modular data centers per se are not new, we see that in the market for roughly 10 years now, and we've seen many other vendors struggling with it because they haven't done it to full extent. If you think about power, if you think about cooling and all that stuff, we even brought in security, physical security, because as Adrian just said, we can deploy it in harsh conditions if you want. So security comes as an issue, and it's a holistic solution. It's a holistic idea that we, together with our partners, can provide that as a whole system and as a whole solution in one day if you want.
And maybe just finally, in terms of sustainability, is that just in general terms an important driver for you? I know customers again asking you about that when it comes to interacting. Yeah, it
is absolutely. I mean, we've done a lot of pre-investment when we started to put together. Also from a ecological standpoint, of course, and that has been manufactured in, and it's part of the solution. Absolutely.
Okay, lovely. Thanks very much for your time. Appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Thank you very much.